National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Harnett County and central North Carolina, northeastern Lee County and central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County and central North Carolina, southeastern Chatham County and central North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Sanford, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Fuquay, Varina, Angier, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Crosswinds Boating Center, Crosswinds Campground, New Hill, and Raven Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a